Yeah, yeah, the video works.
Hey, this is the special place.
Yeah?
From the middle of 70s till the end, middle of 90s, 20 years. We work here. All the factory boats stays there.
What's this?
Yeah. Hey, there was the Molinari boat, the Seabold boat, the Felden boat. All the boats stays there. And here we launched the boat, and here you see the ramp. All the crazy drivers from all over the world can come here, launch his boat. You can use the crane or launch the boat by trailer and go to the water. And now all looks very, very, makes me sad, but many memories here.
Many.
Many. And over there was the high class.
Yeah?
There was the red line we cannot cross because the factory stuff there. You see here?
Yeah.
Maybe go up, maybe.
And it was built for racing.
Only for racing. This was for customer here.
Yeah.
And this was for the factory team from Mercury up in Oshkosh. First man who ran this shop was Roy Ritchell. Next man was superhero Gary Garbrecht. Here we made my first boat ready for the 6-hour Paris. Yeah. Now looks like a vacation resort or another club. And this door, there was when I get all the stuff, and when you close down this,
Yeah.
I get all the Mercury stuff. This is the area. Looks very, very lost. You know. Yeah. All the rental car stays here from the Mercury engineers.
Yeah.
You know. That was the place.
Yeah.
Ready? Maybe for that? I don't know.
Center Mercury. A Space Freddy. Conception F1.
I don't know. These stones was not here. Here the boats, here we worked. Engines inside. Here was office. And the Cipollini boat, the top secret stuff, was in and here. Yeah. And when Molinari was still by Mercury, he also was here.
So you have been scratching this door to get in?
I wish. What's this? Look at how nice. Yeah.
You can actually
you
see the third level.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boats made for.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for now.